Akakiiko ka Public Accounts Committee izooba rya nyuma y'abaziyo kasiibire omu district ya Buhwezi aho kashanjire ngu abakozi ba gavumenti nk'abanyakashaka baburizeho miliyoni 20. Reero ab'omu Kajaani Kashenyi bo baatupire ebihandiiko batyo nikwe kubasindikira polisi ngu ebakwate.
Some people tried to alter bakabireta omu park, and when you alter a document and present it to be an official document, it raises questions, so it becomes criminal.
Nk'okwefumwa kugira ngu ebiro by'omushomano 20 byonka abanyakashaka bashanjurwe nku bagiire kujinjirira ebihandiiko bya sente batamu ngu bakazikozesa abiri 38 by'okwezi kw'okubanza omu mwaka ogu ebitakabahuga mu nsi ya Mukama.
Where is the Bible? Where is the Bible? Because we are going to do this on us.
Which bank issues out a statement? You will guide me. Issues out a statement as this one is without the date of the printout of the statement.
Na bwanyuma orukurra eby'esente aha bwanyakashaka yikiriize ngu ebi bakozire tiharimu kantu konka we town clerk yagira ngu harimu ebihikire n'ebigwire.
Let's confirm what is this.
It's a wrong date.
And according to you, which should come first? Is it which should have come first?
Since it's a wrong date, that requisition is not valid.
I would leave you hanging until another audit is made, and then that's when we will
there is a need to either believe or not believe, so that we move from there.
Owabira town clerk obuzumwa ha sente zabura omu kwezi kw'okubanza agizire ngu omubazi w'ebitabo ningashi district auditor ebitabo akabibara enchure.
Because the auditor is saying in his report that the money might have been expended on an activity that was not planned for. I say maybe he accessed a wrong voucher.
When I gave you the management letter, I recall there were so many issues by the way. And when you tried to respond, I dropped some. Bwanyuma y'abakajaani Kashenyi kukwatwa n'ebihandiiko ebicupwire baburizeho amisho konka nabwo ebihandiiko byabo n'abanyakashaka babikwasize polisi ya Buhwezi okubeerondera kandi baba ofisi ya production hamwe n'eya works harimu enguto bagizire ngu barye n'orurya. Amakuru aga gashakwa Michael atwakire.